Good morning and happy first day of summer 2019. So let me know what's up with you guys in the comment section below. Today is the first day of summer. Actually, the first day of summer is between 21 and 23rd of June, and it depends in which place you live. So that's the longest time when the sun shines, so better take advantage of this and go out, take a dip in a pool or swim on a beach. So anyways guys, we are starting this day with a lot of energy. It's almost noon. We have already done a lot of stuff. For example, we have spoke with our parents and we have done a YouTube live, our very first live session with our very first 500 subscribers. So don't forget to go and check that out. And also we went to PetSmart. We ran quick errands because this little guy over here, we wanted to get his ear medication to clean his ears because it's summers. He gotta go to the beach, take a dip in the water. Yes? Yes, Marvel? You like going in the water? You like going on a pool? Look at his ears, how he reacts to the word pool. Marvel, you like going in the pool? You like going in the pool? He loves going in the pool. So that's why we got his ear medication. We are ready for this summer and I hope so are you guys. So let's get this day started and see what we gonna do next. And if you're already liking the vibes of this channel and this video, this summer vibe, please don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon so you keep getting our videos. Like, comment and share. Do let us know your plans for this summer. And here is my beautiful girl.
Happy summer! First day of summer!
So let's get this day started with a lot of energy and stay tuned and see what we got planned for today.
Guys, look what is in our patio. Oh my god. Whoops! Look at that green lizard! There! So I'm gonna ask Mayank. Ah! Okay. This is now the brave guy is going. Oh my god. Did it go? Where is it?
Stupid lizard made a mess of my patio.
Yeah, she always comes to the patio and then she digs the pots. Oh, she's still there, baby. I can see she's still.
Marvel, go.
Marvel, come here. I don't know, she's still there. Come inside. Ah! She's still there somewhere. Oh, she's still there, behind the pot. She's still behind the pot, in the railing.
I'll give her a run for her life.
Ah! Still there. I can see. Oh shit. Should I just...
Lizard never come into my patio again.
Where's the lizard?
She fell over there on the
Yeah, the
fan,
AC thing.
The AC thing, and then she would be there. If you will try to take a look from there, you will probably see her.
I'm just...
From here.
She's there?
No, I can't see her. But I saw her falling.
Yeah, I heard her falling. So anyways, the lizard is gone and she really makes a mess in the patio with all the mud and everything. But yeah, you can see he's cleaning it up now over there. I don't know why she comes to our patio. No freaking idea. Anyways, so because today is first day of summer, I am super excited and I am in a mood of making some comfort food. So do you guys want to know what I'm making? Let's go and check out. Okay guys, so for lunch what we are making is we are making fried rice with dry chili chicken and which paneer?
Paneer. Chili paneer.
Chili paneer.
But I'm making with that Asian zing sauce.
Yeah, but in a different way. So this is going to be our lunch and we're super excited because I'll be eating chili chicken for after like a very long time and also chili paneer.
I think we haven't made it in a year or more.
Yeah. So I have all the stuff ready over here, like the onions and peppers, corn flour, green chili and all that stuff. So I'm gonna chop everything, prep everything, and I'll show you that. Okay, so what he is prepping the paneer mixture, I am prepping the chicken mixture. So I have chicken, corn flour. I'm going to add salt, black pepper and paprika. Can you pass me the black pepper? And he's marinating the paneer. And then we'll fry them, and it's very simple. We'll just fry them, and then very simple. We'll just fry them and chop up some onion, like big pieces, and then pepper, green chili, and soy sauce and all that stuff. Very basic recipe. Black pepper. Salt. Ah!
I think everybody knows I'm in the kitchen.
And paprika. And now you wanna, did you add water? You have to add water.
No, I'm making a different time.
Oh, okay. He's making a different way, I'm making a different way. So I added everything here. Now I'm going to add water to this. Very little bit, not like any of those, not like a batter, but a very thick coating.
And I have my paneer marinated in here. Look at this delicious paneer. So this is corn flour, ginger garlic paste, black pepper and salt.
And this is already here.
Oh wow. Okay, so I switched on the wrong burner and this got burned. If you can see it here. Look at this. This got burned, this beautiful kettle thing. So, yep, they can see it.
No, I was just doing it back. It was too much into focus.
So, that's why she doesn't let me in the kitchen, I guess.
No, it was a genuine mistake. It was not something he did on purpose.
So anyways, I think our veggies are chopped. Now she is prepping up for the rice.
Yeah. So you can see our veggies are all chopped. Onion, pepper and green chili. So that's all we'll be adding. And now I'm prepping the rice. I will be adding very small pieces of carrot, green beans and what?
Peas.
And peas. And some salt and black pepper to the fried rice. That's it. And that is how I'm gonna make it. And I'll be doing it in this pot. So first I'll saute the veggies and then add the rice and cook it, right?
Yep.
So let's do that. So you can see I added peas, green beans and carrots, salt and black pepper to the rice, and I was actually sauteing the rice little bit without any oil, like just tiny bit of oil for the veggies. I did not add any extra oil for that. And now you can see they look delicious. Now I'm going to add water to it and let them cook. All I wanted was a little bit of browning on the rice. The chicken, 3 more pieces are left, and Mayank has started making the paneer over there. So what he did is onion, garlic, and he's sauteing some green chili. So obviously you guys know when you're making chili garlic, chili paneer or chili chicken, you don't want to soften the onions all the way through. Like you want to have them crispy. So obviously it's very quick, and he doesn't have to like do too much of cooking in that. So that's why he added the garlic first, so that the garlic is cooked, and then he added the green chili and onion. Now he's adding the peppers right there. The chef in the house. So yeah, that is what is going on. Once he's done doing that, I'm gonna do, hold on, whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna do my chicken, and rice is cooking in there. That'll also be ready. So yep, everything is gonna be ready. I'm super excited for lunch. Guys, look at this chili paneer. Oh my god, it looks delicious. Wow, I did not even see what he was adding because I was doing the dishes.
I just added these things. I added a little hot and sweet. I added some chili flakes. I added some pepper, ginger garlic, soy sauce, Asian thing.
Yeah, I think it's done, right?
Yep.
Yep, and now I'm gonna do the chili chicken in here.
And now Tanya's turn. Now she's making
dry chili chicken.
Yeah, and she has already made the fried rice. So let me show you. It won't take her long to make it. These are our fried rice. I'm gonna serve it.
Start serving. You wanna show them?
I'm pretty sure those who guys follow us, they haven't seen us cooking this much rice for two of us ever before.
And this is not just for one meal.
Yeah, we had some leftovers from last night, like rajma and some other stuff. So I told Tanya,
like you guys saw what we ate last night.
So I told Tanya to make some extra rice so that we can, you know, for tonight we can just finish up the leftovers. And that is every last bit of the rice.
It came out very nice, right?
Yep. Perfect.
So chicken is almost done. I'm just gonna let it sit for 2 minutes and all ready.
Okay guys, finally all the three things are ready. Once again, the fried rice, the chili chicken. Look at this. Look at this beautiful chili chicken. It's so delicious. And this is paneer. So that's gonna be our lunch for today.
Yoo-hoo! Let's taste the rice first. Rice is so good. This rice itself is so good. Let's taste the paneer.
And I'm tasting the chicken.
Paneer is so good.
So is chicken.
Cool. So
It's going perfectly. Everything.
yeah.
Plain fried rice, no onion, nothing. Only veggies with chicken and paneer. I haven't tasted, but she's saying I can trust that.
Yeah, paneer is so good. Good. Awesome. So now we're gonna go enjoy food, and once we're done with our food, we'll decide what to do next, and we'll take you guys with us. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are going to the pool to celebrate first day of summer, and we're all ready. We have a very beautiful pool in our community. We have like 2 pools. One is under renovation. It's gonna open up on 28th, and the second one like is already open. Bye Marvel, we love you. And Mayang is right here. So let's go to the pool, have some fun.
We're not taking the car.
No, we'll just walk and go. Chill, relax kind of day. There he is. So let's go.
Okay, we are just taking our eye gears from here, and then we are gonna head back. Not back. We are gonna go to the pool.
Yeah, you're gonna head back.
By the way, we are not going to the pool just because it's it's first day of summer. We are going to the pool because it's first day of summer, but also we like going to the pool.
Yeah.
And it's been a while because we have been waiting for our back pool, which is right in front of our house, right there, to get open. And they finally,
go on.
They finally sent us an email that this next weekend there's gonna be a launch party.
Yep.
So.
And also because it was raining from like past so many days, that's why we couldn't go to the pool.
Yep. So it's gonna be so much fun for the party.
Yeah, we'll take you guys with us that day.
Yep. So let's go to the pool. See you at pool now. Okay guys, so we are here and you can see where I'm lying down in the reflection of my eye gears, I believe. Because we are lying down on this beautiful couch. Poolside cabana here. And of course I'm under the tree. So let me show you how it looks. What I can see. This is what I see. It is super hot outside, so we will have to jump in the pool, I guess.
I'm already sweating.
Yeah. So anyways, we're in the pool having fun. The water is so good.
Yeah.
And I think it started to rain.
I think so, I'm not sure.
It is raining. I might have to... Yeah, it is raining. If you see a little bit far, I'll have to... Just see in the air, baby. I'll have to go and take care of the camera. I'm recording in the phone right now because this is water resistant. But I'll have to take the camera and keep it somewhere safe so it doesn't get wet. But we are having so much fun. So once again, happy first day of summer. Keep enjoying your summer. Take a dip. Go do something fun this weekend. Let us know in the comments what are you guys doing. We are having so much fun. See all these people. So many people out here.
So we are coming here having fun because it's such a good place to chill out, relax yourself. And it was raining, but it just stopped now. So super cool. We'll be here for another 20 minutes and then we'll go home. We'll give Marvelous food, take him for a walk and all this stuff. Okay guys, we are going back home now. Done with our chilling out and we go home.
Very refreshing.
Yeah, so relaxing.
We had fun.
Yeah.
And that actually the front pool is so there are two pools as I told you. The front pool is temperature regulated.
Yeah. So it's not very cold that you go in and you're like shivering kind of thing. So it's
you can go in
nice,
like literally any time of the year.
Yeah.
The back pool, they did renovated the whole thing, but we will
think
know
so, yeah.
on 28th on the launching party, opening party, not launching.
Yeah.
That if they installed a heated system or not.
Yeah.
So regardless, for next 4 months, it's Florida.
Yeah.
So you can take a dip anytime you want.
We'll go home, give Marvel his food, then take him for a walk, and then we have the evening to ourselves again. So let's see what we do. So guys, we are back home, took bath. Marvel is having his dinner. You can hear him drink water now. Yeah, that was him. So now we're gonna go for a walk.
Yep.
And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and enjoy your summers, and we'll see you in our next vlog. So till then, bye bye.